In one of the previous videos, we learned count function. However, as we remember, this function doesn't consider cells with no inputs or with text. What we have to do in such case? Count everything manually, skip it, or look for other options. Luckily, Excel provides us required answer with two other formulas which we are going to cover in this video. Continue watching and you will learn simple ways to count any type of data you may have in your report. Let's begin with examples. There will be also a short summary of all three formulas to make it easier to remember. Here we have a data that has different numbers, empty cells and text inputs. First, we select a cell where we want to use our formula. Once it is done, we type here equal count A. Then we need to select values or a whole field which we want to use for calculations. Press enter and get the result. In the cell itself, we have the outcome, but in the formula field, we have our main formula. If you want to edit formula, it is better to use the formula bar. In our example, we have 25 cells, and according to COUNTA function, 23 of them have any kind of data. What about other two cells? Next thing we can do is to use COUNTBLANK to get the quantity of empty cells. Same as before, in the empty cell type equal COUNTBLANK. Here Excel requests the range, not the values like before. So we select the range and press enter. Our range is from A1 to E5. In total, we have two empty cells. As we can see, this function did not consider any numerical or text inputs. To sum up, we now know three Excel formulas which we can use for different reports. When we need to know the total count of cells with numbers, simply use count function. As we remember, this works for dates and times as well. However, no other data type will be considered. In case you want to get the total number of cells that contain any kind of data, use COUNTA function. This helps you to see how many cells in the whole file have values. If you don't want to select all cells, you can also decide which values to include. When you know you are missing something, COUNTBLANK will help you to identify how many cells should be filled in. This is especially useful when you are working with a bunch of data and simply cannot find it manually. Perfect solution to identify where to do more work. This is all I can share with you regarding count function. There will be more content in the following weeks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This way you won't miss new interesting videos. Also, if you know someone who definitely wants to become pro in Excel, share a link to this video. See you next time.